how to make $500 every single day just by using Google, guys. My name is Philemon Shia. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you basically how to make over $500 every single day just by using Google, right? So from the comfort of your zone, anytime you want of the day, you can be doing this. Does not have to be in the morning, does not have to be in the afternoon, every time, right? And if you follow the exact steps that I've shown you, by the end of this video, you will be able to make over $500 even by the end of tomorrow or today if you even start earlier, guys. So before we start, guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new. As I bring out content, I post videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life, right, with affiliate marketing and making money online. So I try to teach that every single day. So subscribe to the channel if you are new and like this video, guys. So let's get started. So basically, yeah, first you wanna search for businesses in your area, right? So or basically just businesses everywhere, right? So the last time in my Google Maps videos, if you haven't checked it, how to make money with Google Maps, I'll link it down below, right? So in that video, basically all I said was that you must search for people in your niche, right? So in this case, last time I used dentist, so this time I'm also gonna use dentist. Right, so I'm just gonna say dentist, oh, dentist, uh, Vegas in. So just say Las, Las Vegas, right? So Las Vegas, right? So Las Vegas. So let's go and search for dentist in Las Vegas, right? So when I search for dentist in your area, or if it does not have to be in your area, plus this is not my area, so it just needs to be anywhere, right? So this is not anywhere related to the other one, like I said before. So you want to check for people in this niche, right? So for the people in the dentist niche, and you want to do this as many times as you can. Right? So I don't recommend you posting going for this top three because these people already know what they are doing because obviously they are already on top for a reason and they are rated for stars, 4.5 stars upwards, right? So you want to go on the first page, but let's say a little bit down. So we're gonna say a little bit down. Um, to let me look for dentist, dentist, Sahara Dental, Comfort Care, Dental Group, Africa Gold Dental, Absolute Dental, Image Dental, and go to Image Dental, right? So let's go to that. I'm gonna go to their website to see actually how their website is and how their website is for how their website is. So uh, you see their website. So this is their website. Probably again, but this is their website. I think it's a nice website, Image Dental, So they have the information here, and they have make appointment. They have their number where you can call, or they have all the pictures, right? So it's a nice one, nice white background. So now we got all the data we need. What you're gonna do is you wanna because what researchers found that is making a website is nice, but making a funnel is much more effective because it just drives down to what you need really, right? So of course for a website you need like this information about the business and everything like that. And so for a funnel, if you wanna collect leads, it's just gonna it's just you are just gonna collect leads. If you wanna get a specific results with it, if you wanna just make sales, it's just gonna get you sales. So it really just drives down to what you really need. So in this case, we wanna make a funnel for this company, but for this company on this let's say for example, they are giving away a free teeth whitening, right? So it's a free teeth whitening. So that's what you wanna give away. You wanna make a free teeth whitening. So you wanna go to Builderall, right? So this platform called Builderall. If you don't have it, I recommend you get it. It's way better, right? So it's $50 per month if you include the way you wanna to promote this affiliate, which I also highly recommend. But if you wanna just use it for making funnels like this, then it's $50 per month, right? So I'll put the link to it in the description if you in case you need it, right? So we're gonna choose a funnel right here. So I chose this one already, so I already loaded it up, right? So I already loaded it up, so it's here, it's ready. So right, so what you wanna do is basically make a funnel for this business. So we're gonna pretend like this business is offering a free teeth whitening, right? So you wanna make a funnel about free teeth whitening. Now explain why in a bit and why you need to, because you're gonna send this funnel to the business itself, right? So let's just leave special event like that. So I'm just gonna say like special event, come get come get so get uh, free teeth whitening, right? Come get the free, come get free teeth whitening, right? I don't know, with, right? Let's say with your unique, right? No, let's just say like that. Let's leave it like that. So right, you're gonna be like, come get a free teeth whitening. Wow, it's actually nice, special event, and you wanna make this look out, like let it be visible for the people to be like, okay, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Let it be visible, right? So you wanna make it. Oh, that's the wrong color. Let's just leave it at white for now. Let's just leave it at white or make it some type of slope. Okay, we're just gonna leave that white, right? So we're just gonna leave that white. Come get, especially when come get a pretty one. Here you wanna put the company's logo. In this case, if I were to go, I will basically use this company's logo, but I don't wanna go with it. I'm just gonna go here, right? So and then you say, hey, hey, we, and then you say here, uh, we are giving you a chance to, so just say we are giving it, we want your teeth to be white, something like that, right? So that's why we are giving you a free, let's say free teeth whitening if you bring this unique, I hope I spelled no, unique code, unique, if you bring, yeah, this unique code, right? So we are telling them like, hey, you're getting a free teeth whitening, free teeth whitening. Uh, so if you bring around, if you bring just this free unique code, right? And they'll be like, well, wondering where's the unique code, right? So we wanna make that, this time we can make that red now, right? Because now it's a nice color, so we can make that red. You see how it's turning out, right? In free teeth whitening. So let's say also this one gets like free teeth whitening, right? Right. So what we're gonna do is basically right. So now here, right? So we're gonna leave that, and here say put in your best email where we can send you the code, right? So you wanna say, hey, put in your best email, because some people put in fake email, like put in the email we can send you the code, send you, let's say your free code. Right? Let's see. Put in does not work. If I click, then it's gonna like so put in your best email so it can send you your free code, right? So and you wanna make also that so looking out. So it's like, so the code is not paid for, it's for free, right? So and then here you wanna put in their email addresses, right? So it must be something like that. So I know I can do a better job than this. I wanna do this as fast as possible so you can make this as big or as broad as you want, right? So let's make that. It's how big you want, wherever you want it to be, really. So you can move anything, anywhere, right? So we're just gonna leave that there, right? So we're gonna delete that, right? So delete all that, right? So if you have time, you can also delete this part and basically leave it right there. And then you go to the thank you page. We go to the thank you page and basically right, and basically here say congratulations. Let's say your code is on the way, right? Congratulations, your free code is on the way, right? So you want to tell them, hey, your free code is on the way, right? So if you can bold this if you want. If you don't want, just leave it. Also, it's not a big deal because they already put in their email, so we already have their email or the company, right? So congratulations, you already have your free code here, and then here you want to take this part out because I do not like that part. So I'm gonna delete it, right? And then let's say moving this whole part, right? So take that part out, delete that whole part, and then you wanna move like this one here, if you can, but it does not want to. Anyways, so here, so then you say hey, so then hey, while you're waiting, while you are waiting, right? And you wanna make this big because you wanna make this stand out. You wanna underline it. So you wanna, because this is also where the money part comes in. So you want, hey, while you're waiting, you can get, while you're waiting, you can get, you can get, uh, you can still book for your second, second, what you call it, second appointment for just, let me just say, $15, right? So that's $15. But say, hey, while you're waiting, you can still book your another appointment, your fifth appointment for another 15 bucks if you want to, right? So like, oh, okay, so I can, so I'm getting a free teeth whitening, plus I can also book another one, right? So just say, book, book right here. Then it's like, right? And then you wanna put like a button where they can book. You wanna like direct them to the page where they can book like a book appointment if they want to book for an appointment for another tip whitening here, right? So then you wanna move this like in the middle or something like that. So yeah, basically, so you are also giving them a chance like, hey, can book your second another appointment for you guys here, right? So you wanna delete all this out, really make it flashy. If you have time, you can make it way better than this. I know you can also can make it, but that's for the time's sake. I'm gonna keep this video short. Probably it's already long. So this is the so you I've shown you this. So you're probably wondering, so Philemon, how do I get paid? How do I get paid from the company? So this is you can do this two ways. You can either tell the company, hey, uh, I made you guys. You can either email it to them like, hey, I made you guys by writing like I made you guys the funnel of of where we can capture clients and get you guys more clients just by offering them a free tip whitening, and they can actually book another one and things like that, explaining it in the email, or you can do it in video form, contacting the company like, hey, I made you guys you just like explain it through video form, like I have made you guys, and then you just like put out the names and put out the name, and you want to send this like to a lot of people, to a lot of companies, and then just like switch up a lot of texts, and then you just like switch up the names and things like that, and there are services and different ways how to do it. So just using one funnel, and then say, hey, I made you guys a free funnel. If you wanna buy it, or I mean, if you wanna buy it or license it from me, you can use it for free for this amount of month, for this amount of dollars. But first, don't sound salesy. First, you wanna explain what your funnel is and how it actually works, and say, hey, hey, I made you guys a funnel. This is how it works. This is how you get your customers. They're gonna like it because they're gonna get a free tip rating. It's actually unique, and if they like the appointment, which obviously they're gonna like, uh, they can actually register for another one for this amount of dollars if that's how much their company pays or something like that, right? Initially, it's gonna get you more customers like that. Then you explain everything, how it is, and say, hey, if you want, I can do the email marketing for you where so as soon as they put in their link, as soon as they put in their email, we send them the code. So if they go to the reception, they just show the code, and here I got this code for free tip for attending, and then they can go in. And then after that, you try to make them book for another appointment, or which they'll probably do, right? So explain it to them like that, right? Something like that, and then say, hey, this is the thank you page and everything like that. So you don't want to sound sales, you want to sound like you're helping them. And then later on at the last part is when you're saying, so this is the price. Or I can either do the second option, which is basically the builder role option where I say, hey, or I can basically, so you guys, you just buy build a for $30, and then I make the funnel for you. Like I'll send you the funnel, and then I can be editing it per month to your liking, how you want it. I'll be editing it, and that's be paying. And you negotiate the price according to the business where it's located, the amount of customers you're already getting, and the amount of customers you expect it to get when you're working with them. All that counts and actually matters. So there you go. That's how you made $500 in a day, right? So you can do this today if you have build at all. If you don't have build at all, check it. This smart second third link in the description. I'll put it there. Uh, and this is basically I make $200 a day. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shep. Subscribe to the channel if you and if you enjoyed today's video, guys. Uh, if you want to check out my free affiliate marketing book that teaches you everything that I know about affiliate marketing and more, guys. So it's the first link in the description. It's for free. I'll give it away for free to you guys. So you can go check it out, or if you want to buy Builder and do this basically and start earning yourself some money just by doing this, and just like changing out the names of the companies and just sending an email the same video to the company. You can do that. So that's how you do it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd. See you in the next video. Peace.